Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make the smartest choices for your hard-earned cash. Today, we've got a showdown between two sky-high contenders. On my left, we have the DJI Mini 2 SE, the lightweight champ. And on my right, the TENSSENX GPS drone, the budget-friendly underdog. Let's dive in and see which drone will take your aerial adventures to new heights. Alright, first up, let's talk about the wallet factor. The DJI Mini 2 SE will set you back about $279. Not cheap, but hey, quality has its price, right? On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is a more budget-friendly option at $169. That's almost $110 less. So if you're looking to save some dough, TENSSENX might already have you hooked. Now, let's talk cameras. The DJI Mini 2 SE has a respectable camera, but TENSSENX is flexing with a 4K ultra clear camera. That's right, folks. 4K resolution with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. It's like the smartphone of the drone world. Just don't try to make calls on it. Meanwhile, DJI's camera is good but doesn't quite hit that 4K mark. So for you pixel peepers out there, TENSSENX takes the cake. Flight time is super important. Nobody wants their drone to be the party pooper that runs out of juice mid-flight. The DJI Mini 2 SE gives you an impressive 31 minutes per battery. And if you get the combo pack, you're looking at up to 93 minutes of flight time. TENSSENX, on the other hand, offers 52 minutes with 2 batteries combined. So if you're planning a long aerial escapade, DJI might be your better bet. Let's talk portability. The DJI Mini 2 SE is like that friend who's always ready for an adventure, lightweight and compact at under 249 grams. You don't even need to register it with the FAA if you're just having fun. The TENSSENX is also under 250 grams, and it comes with a fancy carrying case. Both drones are easy to lug around, but DJI's lightweight design might just make it the winner here. Ease of use is crucial, especially for beginners. DJI Mini 2 SE is practically holding your hand with its return-to-home function and beginner-friendly controls. TENSSENX isn't slacking either with GPS auto-return and features like altitude hold and optical flow. Both are pretty user-friendly, but DJI's simplified operations might give it a slight edge. Now, let's delve into the bells and whistles. DJI Mini 2 SE has some cool features, like the DJI Fly app with shooting templates and an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers. But wait, TENSSENX has some tricks up its sleeve too. It can follow you, trace a path you set, and even take photos when you pose. It's like having your own personal paparazzi. For sheer fun and intelligence, TENSSENX might just win this round. Both drones have garnered positive reviews for their respective strengths. Reviewers appreciate the DJI Mini 2 SE for its quality build, ease of use, and impressive performance, especially for beginners. On the other hand, the TENSSENX GPS drone is praised for its affordability, high-quality camera, and user-friendly features, making it a great choice for those new to drone technology. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a killer camera and fun features, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you want extended flight time, reliable stability, and a more polished user experience, DJI Mini 2 SE is your sky buddy. Which one will you choose to take to the skies? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy flying. Product links are in the description.